Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, a lot of you have been asking me, like, now that you have posted a video about the European CV, tell us about the platform from where we can actually create one. So, that's why I'm creating the video. So, as you can see, I'm here on this website, Europass by the European Union. So, you scroll down, you click on create your Europass CV, you click on create new CV, and it's like very easy and very simple. Like you have all the fields here, you just need to type. Like for example, here you paste your first name, last name, about you, and it's just so let me just paste like placeholder. So you go down, let's say I select passport and I say it's just random. And then city, let's say currently I'm in Amsterdam. The country is Netherlands. My nationality is Pakistani. Email at gmail.com. For example, my phone number is Netherlands. So 55555, for example. So you just like it's rather really simple. And so here, as you can see, this is like one of the sections of the resume is now ready. So say if I want to add another section, I need to select what kind of section. So here I would say you select the section for your education because it's an academic CV, or if you have good work experience, relevant research work or relevant internships, then you select suppose the work experience. So it's as simple as that. Like you select and you start inserting the information, and then at the end you have a CV. So I'll just do one, and title is software engineering. Name of the university was LJMU. It was information, blah blah blah. Let's add another section for the skills. So good. No, okay. So let's see if it arrives. What? Okay. Let me just add communication, Python. So you save, and here you can see like your sections are currently being built up, and here, so this is like really simple, like of course, but this is like actually very simple. Like you have the sections, you just insert the information, and it automatically it keeps generating like the sections. Like you just need to fill in the information, select the relevant section, and the order in which you actually want your CV to be. So I think this is pretty simple, and from here you can select like what kind of resume template you want, colors and stuff, text, text to be large, medium, small. So I think medium is nice. You click next. You choose a name for your CV. As I have always told you guys, always do it in camel case with underscores. So this is actually like the preview of the CV that is going to be downloaded. You click on download. It has been downloaded. Let's see if it's actually the CV. So I think this is pretty straightforward. So I hope this video will help you guys